ring, but be it known to you and to all of us that suffering is part of the marriage. But the fourth and last kind of ring should not be a part of your marriage. And what is called the unconditional love. Everybody say, love is unconditional. Are you willing to accept those changes, those new things from your husband, from your wife? See, it's going to be very difficult to accept. It's going to be difficult not unless you experience the love that is unconditional from the Lord Jesus. Love is really like that. Rather than love is never having to say your story, I suggest we should say something like this. Love is saying you are sorry. Love, the very center of this love that God showed to us is forgiveness. So love is always forgiving, but love is sacrificial. Everybody say sacrificial. But it's here in the morning, you see stardust and not away and love will never change because it's not only a feeling. Okay, it's more like a will, a decision. Sometimes love will be the action, but remember, no matter what happens, God's promises to help us at these times is one who knows how to show sacrificial love. You will be patient. You will be understanding. You will hate what is evil and you will always stand for right. All because of Jesus' love. Have that love of Jesus. May you have this. Yes, I do. Failure and success, of pain and joy, of sorrow and happiness. You have declared your intention to make this very special day. I, Renz, affirm my love to you. From now on, there will be no rain for us, as we will be the shelter for each other. There will be no sadness, as we will be each other's happiness. And there will be no loneliness, as each of us will be the companion of the other. Love with you, cry with you, grow with you in mind, in soul, and in spirit, and always gonna be open and honest with you, for as long as we shall be with.
And now finally this dreams have come true. I am blessed to have you. You're the sweetest person I've met. For treating me special and showing your love to me. You are the love of my life. You are my best friend, and you are my everything. I promise you to give you the best of myself. I will do my part to keep our relationship stronger, to laugh with you, to cry with you, to believe in you and support you. I'm looking forward to have a new chapter and new memories with you as your wife. Today, I give my love, trust, and faith to you. I know our love is heaven sent. I love you always and forever.
Of this moment and remind you of the vows you made to each other. These rings are the outward and visible sign of an inward and spiritual grace, a love that is endless, signifying to us the union between Jesus Christ and His church.
Jean, wear this ring as a sign of my love, an infidelity that will sustain you in joy.
Not infidelity, fidelity.